how to get essentially anything removed from your Equifax credit report. Step 1, we're going to call Equifax. You can reach them at 866-349-5191 or 800-685-1111. You're going to want to press 4 or speak with the live operator. Remind the agent that you have been disputing those accounts and that Equifax is not providing you with a substantial proof of validation that they claim they received. At this point, your rep might move to assist you in getting them removed for the reasons mentioned, and if they give you any pushback, then start to use your stronger argument. Now, you might have to watch this video multiple times so you can document this and put it in writing. In light of recent investigations brought upon Equifax, I find my consumer file is being irresponsibly tampered with. Over the past however long, I have made several attempts to remind you of the duty pursuant to 15 USC 1681. It appears you're intentionally and willfully being neglectful in remedying my affairs. 15 USC 1681 EB assumes that I am due promised accuracy in my report based on federal law. I am making this call as another attempt to have these errors corrected on my consumer report. 15 USC 1681 IA5 says that reinvestigations, all of the unverified information, must promptly be removed. You can see in your system that this account was previously disputed without thoroughly investigated. Thus, I know I cannot be verified or validated. Again, guys, my name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott. For more tips, tricks on credit, follow me at Credit Coach Nicole Scott on Instagram and YouTube. Go to the link in my bio, go to the link tree where we give you the free credit building guide, and you don't have to pay a thing. You just have to take action.